Elderly female, possible fall. Vitals stable, but we need to get her into surgery now.
Let's move. We don't have much time.
How is she?
I'm sorry. We did everything we could. Unfortunately, we couldn't save her shoes.
Excuse me?
Her shoes, we couldn't save them.
Don't wait until your shoes are beyond saving. Schedule your appointment today at Frank's Custom Shoe Fitting.
Did I win?